Hey, this is Cultures and Travels with a very quick video announcement. Starting November 9th, I'll be exhausting my entire POV collection from my past travels. I have around 25 POVs from places like Kings Island, Carowinds, Dollywood, and more. I'll be posting them twice a week, every Monday and Thursday. And to give back to the community, all of my POVs are free to use with no permission. All I ask is if you give credit to Cultures and Travels and we're good. I hope you enjoy my past POVs. Some of them features coasters that don't exist anymore or have changed significantly. I also have plans on taking a small trip soon, so be on the lookout for a new vlog in the future. Thanks for watching my quick announcement video. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe to show your support. And if you're on social media, please make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And with that said, I'm out of here. Take care.